I'm Josh, and I am out to prove that putting metal in the microwave is not dangerous. I am going to be testing out this theory with a fork, a serrated knife, a can opener, a cheese grater, a spoon, and a non-serrated sharp knife. By the end of this, you will probably realize that you may try this at home. So here we go. The theory that I have heard has told me that a curved surface is affected less than a sharp surface. The sharp surface is not dangerous. However, I think it's likely that I should start the day out, and the first test I should do will be with the spoon, which is completely curved. So here we go. After the spoon was removed, it is proven that there was no sparks or anything. However, the spoon is mildly warm. However, that cannot be considered dangerous. I will now test this theory out by putting in the serrated knife. After the knife was removed, it was too hot to touch, as you can tell by my oven mitt. However, not burn your skin hot, so still not dangerous, and there was also no sparks that time. Now I will test this out with the can opener. After the can opener was put in, it was not too hot to touch. However, as you can see, the heat from the metal got hot enough to melt the rubber from the handle. So this might be something that you have to take into account. However, overall, still not a big deal, and still not life-endangering. Moving on, now we will test the cheese grater. The same thing that happened to the can opener also happened to the cheese grater. As you see from the video and right here, the metal sparked and the rubber caught fire. I will now test out the theory with the non-serrated knife, which has a hard plastic handle. So I'm wondering if the same thing that happened to the can opener and the cheese grater that both had soft rubber handles is going to happen to this too. I guess we will have to find out. The knife did not have the same effect as the soft rubber. No fires, actually no sparks at all. Here is the fork. This is what we will be testing now. So the fork caused some sparks and was very hot when it left, hence the oven mitt. So, in conclusion, my hypothesis was not necessarily proven. However, the microwave did not explode, so at least it's not totally dangerous. You do have to be kind of careful with rubber because it can catch fire. And there is the occasional spark, however, the spark is not dangerous. So, are microwaves and metal meant to be together? I think you should be the judge of that.